welcome to this vlog where I'm gonna be cooking pilau. I decided to join the Muslim challenge of cooking pilau. I've never done this before. This is going to be my very first time. I hope the results come out perfectly because pilau can be challenging. You put all the ingredients but come out with white pilau. If it's your first time here, Moret is my name. You're most welcome to my channel. Please endeavor to subscribe, like this video, and share it to all your friends. Let's enjoy the cooking. Without wasting time, guys, let's get straight to the video. Did I talk about having all the ingredients? I guess I lied because I only have meats. But some people use chicken pilau. This one is going to be beef pilao. And yes, obviously I have my rice because it can't be pilau without rice. I have tomatoes, I have onions, I have my green pepper, I don't have any carrots. Then I have this, how they call it, pilau masala, pilau what? And then my cooking oil. This is how they measure cooking oil in Uganda in case you don't buy the jerry can, 1 liter, how many liters, so. No one has made me cry like this before, but onions have. Oh my god. Guys, if you've reached this far and you haven't liked this video or subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Alright guys, I'm done chopping all the vegetables and the meat, and this is how they look like. So it's high time I got like the stove, the sigiri, the charcoal stove, so that I can make our pilau. Stay tuned, don't forget to like, subscribe. It's time for us to start cooking pilau for the very first time. Let's do this. I trust myself. So as the pan is drying, I'm gonna be putting some black pepper and pilau masala, the powdered one, into my meat so that the meat can get the ingredients so well. I got a tip from Google, so if you don't know how to cook anything, just go to Google. Even YouTube can help, so I hope my video will help someone in the future. Here at the birungo, I've been talking about birungo means ingredients. This is black pepper, those who enjoy black pepper. This is pilau masala mixed. There's everything, literally everything is in this. How my tray is looking. We have tomatoes in Vanessa's accent, we have onions, we have green pepper, we have meat which has black pepper and some ingredients, powdered ones, and then we also have this, I don't know how they call it, but it is supposed to be put in pilau, but I have to pound it.